Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from MyFirstWig. Inside the package, I received 2 conditioner packets, a lace band, some clips, a comb, wax stick, lace glue, a wig hanger, and wig caps. Along with all these goodies, I received the wig that I'll be installing. In the next clip, I'll be showing you guys the 13x6 wig that I received. The wig that I received is a 13x6 20-inch frontal wig. As you guys can see, the knots on this wig were super small, so I didn't leave the bleach on for long, probably for about 10 minutes, and it was good to install. This is what the wig looks like after it's been plucked and bleached. The knots are super invisible now because it bleached very well. For this install, I'll be showing you guys how I do a bust down middle part with no baby hairs. Before applying any layer of glue, you want to make sure that you're cleaning your client's hairline so that the glue can stick to its best ability. Whenever I'm installing a wig with no baby hairs, I always try to bring the hairline of the wig in front of the bowl cap. So when I'm spreading the glue across my client's hairline, I make sure that I stay within the areas of the dotted line so that when the lace is down, the install isn't tacky and sticky. When I'm placing the lace down into the glue, I always start with the middle first, then I move on to the 2 sides. To make it easier, I try to match the dotted line from the lace to the dotted line on my client's hairline. This will make the install way easier to place down on your client's hairline. Now that the wig is down, I'm going to use my tail comb and press the lace into the glue. When I'm cutting off all the extra lace, I cut it in a zigzag motion with my small silver scissors so that when it's melted, it'll look more natural rather than it being cut in a straight line. Also, instead of cutting in a zigzag motion or a straight line, I try to cut around almost every strand of hair so that it'll look more natural. Being that this isn't HD laced, I used a thin layer of glue and placed it on the edge of the hairline across the wig. This will help your client's lace melt better. It won't leave the hairline tacky if you use a small amount of glue. This is how one side of the wig looks completed. Now I'm going to do the same steps to the next side of the wig. This is how the wig looks, all the lace cut off and the lace is melted. Now I'm going to use the makeup closer to my client's skin complexion. In this case, it's my Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation number 15, and I'm going to use the melting spray and spray it across the hairline before placing the band down. Being that I'm not doing any baby hairs on this install, the band will be on the lace for about 20 to 30 minutes while I style the hair. This is how the hair came out after I pressed it. All I needed was one pass through with the flat iron for it to become this silky. Now that I'm finished styling the hair, I removed the elastic band and you guys can see how melted the lace is on my client's hairline. Now I'm just using my permanent marker to cover all the hairs that were over bleached. Before I hot comb, I always place bio silk across the hair. This leaves the hair sleek and shiny once it's hot combed. Before hot comb, you want to make sure to comb out all the hairs so that when you do comb it out, it'll fall right into place once it's hot combed. This wig melted on my client's hairline really nice for transparent lace. Now I'm just going to use my angled brush and the same Booby Kiss Cream foundation to outline the part. Continue watching for more clips of the finished look and comment below if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching.